Best part about making these things, like, they don't really have to make sense.
Okay, so today's video idea is actually focused on picture profiles. Since my camera doesn't actually have the picture profile log, more of like C-log since I'm shooting on Canon. But I'm really excited.
Okay, seriously, you're gonna skip ahead and try not to, not even explain what log is?
Explain that.
Yeah, you don't know what log is.
Okay, I'm the one that's all
I know I don't know a ton
and
about
I know
it,
everything
but
about video
I'm
cameras.
still learning
I
all
can
this
figure
stuff.
it out. He doesn't know anything. Look at him.
He's
Just because
stupid.
you think you're
He's
the
got
smarter
that
half of
stupid
me
mop of
doesn't
hair
mean
in
that
his
you
head, and he's
actually
super
can just
skinny like a
explain
twig.
this to the
And he's
camera.
got
I'm
that
the more
dumb blue
charismatic
coat.
one, so whatever.
No, I
Yeah.
am the more charismatic
I know more about
one.
logging.
Yeah,
I'm the more
just run.
charismatic
Yeah,
one.
get out of here. Go.
Okay, whatever.
You're dumb.
I can't.
You're an idiot.
No.
Get out of here.
I can't handle this. Anyways, let's get the better half on the camera.
Okay, standard. This is standard. Portrait mode, baby. Portrait, landscape, and this is neutral. This is faithful. Good old faithful. This is fake log footage, and everything is at 0. Okay, this is fake log footage. Everything is in the negative. That was either my worst video idea yet, or my best. Standard.
Portrait, landscape, neutral, faithful, fake log number 1. No. Fake log, color tone at 0. Fake log, color tone at -4. Gosh dang it. The sun came out right when I'm shooting this. Well, it's kind of coming in. I bet I'm overexposed. I hope I'm in focus. It looks like I'm in focus. It's so hard to see. Portrait! Landscape. Oh, you look so good, landscape. I gotta tell you, this one's pretty dang neutral. Looking faithful, baby. Looking faithful. You got this. Fake log at 0. Fake log at 0. Fake log at 0. Fake log at 0.